Today I'll show you how to apply auto, aligning tempered glass easily. No bubbles, no misalignment. Use the wet wipe to clean the screen. Dry it with the microfiber cloth. Always check the correct direction before applying. Pull the film, press the center. Remove the bubble. Follow the same steps shown in the video. Lift it up, then place it back again, because an air bubble is forming. As you can see, the bubble has been removed. This applicator can also be used as a mobile stand. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel.